Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into a market health checkup video for you, okay? Just a little update for you. I mean, everything looks really bullish, but obviously we're not seeing any all-time highs broken at the moment. We're toying with it, okay? We've got the all-time high market capitalization here for crypto. You know, it's looking incredibly bullish, you know, from a technical standpoint it is, because you've got this large cup and handle pattern just there. You've come back, created this handle, you've broken out, and you're coming up and you're now breaking out of this trend line, okay? Look, slowly but surely you're breaking out, and if you look at the daily close, this is a daily time frame. Look, you're closing above this trend line. You know, you're having your highest closes ever on the total market cap, so it's really bullish. You've backtested and turned this neckline into support, and you're looking to break this high. Okay, now I do think that once you break that high, your technical target for cup and handle would be this, the 1414 at $3.64 trillion market capitalization for the entire crypto space, a condensed view of the market. And like I said to you way down here when we was rolling down, I said to you, look, if you don't want to take a risk, wait for the break of this high, confirmation that the market's bullish, you know, you're breaking out, and that would be a fantastic sort of signal, you know, less of a degenerate risk down here that you're looking for continuation basically in the markets. And right now we're on the cusp of that. So if you're still sitting on the sidelines, wait for the break of this high, because then you will be in a technical target to $3.64 trillion market capitalization for crypto, okay? And at that point you're equally breaking this high here, which puts you in an impulsive wave target to the 1618, okay? So I do think that obviously Bitcoin is going to appreciate because it's starting to take off, and this is what you see on breakouts, okay? And on a new impulsive wave once to start to break in the crypto markets, it's usually Bitcoin that carries that weight. You know, this is how you really get the markets going. You do see Bitcoin moving forward, it slows down, and whilst Bitcoin's going forward like this, you see your altcoins crab and some actually dip basically, okay? And then when Bitcoin sort of plateaus out and sort of consolidates in a range, this is where the altcoins play catch up, okay? And that's kind of like a mini alt season basically, you know, in this continuation trend that we're looking at for crypto right here, okay? Coupled with this, you know, we're looking really bullish basically. That's what I'm trying to say to you. We are looking bullish, but we've not actually broken this high yet. So we're on the cusp of it. If we look on the daily look, we're toying with it, aren't we? You know, we're caught between a rock and a hard place at the moment. This level of support right now, which is the neckline of a large bullish cup and handle pattern, and then obviously the all-time high there, the wick way back there in May, when we wicked up to that point there and then rolled over. So we're not quite out of the woods yet. So this is what I was saying to you, you know, if you're looking for a responsible trade on any of the alts or the Bitcoin or anything, because you're fully aware we could roll here, you know, and have a double top. But this is actually a really bullish pattern, this continuation pattern that we've got here. This is why I'm still relatively bullish on crypto, to be honest with you. You know, you're creating a beautiful double bottom pattern just there as well. Boom. You're falling wedge, you're breaking out, you're coming back up. You're breaking out of resistance, you're backtesting and turning into support, so you've got confidence, so you're looking at continuation. You've got technical targets to the 1414, and with that you've got a technical target with impulsive wave to the 1618 at 4.31 trillion right there for crypto, which, you know, if Bitcoin carries a 50% sort of Bitcoin dominance, which I do think it will get to be honest with you, if it does carry that, then, you know, half of the valuation of the Bitcoin network is half of the 4.31 trillion, which puts it way over 100k. You know, I'm seeing a lot of TA saying it's going to top out at 72k, 85k. Could happen, but until that bridge comes, we won't cross it, will we? When that bridge comes, we'll cross it, sorry. You know, but for me, you're looking really good here. And one thing that I do like the look of as well, which I've always said to you, you know, that you do need to see, is the DXY. You know, the DXY for me is running into that level of resistance, you know, that I've said to you. And with that, you know, you're potentially putting in the very similar sort of fractal that you did last year, where you rolled into this level of resistance just there towards the sort of October, and then you rolled. Look at that. So right now you're basically running into that resistance just there, broadening wedge basically, and then you run into it as resistance, rolling over, potentially coming back down to retest this as support. Now if you do start to lose that, this is where you can put in a very similar fractal as this one last year, run into January of next year like it did last year, run into January of this year. And with that, this is where you're seeing Bitcoin go on that insane run when the DXY did this, and right now it's doing exactly that. You know, Bitcoin's on the cusp of breaking out, the total market cap's on the cusp of breaking out, and the DXY is breaking down. So for me, the DXY was in a continuation pattern here. It was consolidating before continuation to the downside. Now, you know, if, and here's a big if the DXY actually falls down here and loses this, my friend, is where we could enter an absolute super cycle for crypto. That crypto bubble, which I've spoken about so many times as well, you know, could actually be on the cusp, basically. of happening. Again, not got a crystal ball, and it's all a level of progression, support resistance. It's basically at a knife edge right here, it's at a knife edge, because you've got your Bitcoin that is approaching the all-time high, you've got your total crypto market sorry, I do apologize, the total market cap about to break its high as well. So it really is on a knife edge. It's been a very bumpy journey so far, but the charts are telling me a story, and I'm just relaying that story to you. And so far, even when we was picking up here and looking really bullish and everyone was really bearish on Bitcoin, I was still saying to you, you still got key levels of resistance in the DXY. People thought that this was a big, massive W bottom, and it potentially still could be. And you've broken out and you back tested support, and see you later. But it's all about Bitcoin breaking them highs, okay? And the crypto market cap's breaking them highs to validate this breakdown in the DXY. If this continues to fall, loses this level of support just there, and then retests that level of support, this is playing out again, isn't it, into January. So yeah, watch this space. It's absolutely on a knife edge. So that's just basically a little update for you today on the health of the market right there. We're not quite out the woods yet. We're running into a key level resistance, possible retracement, but as long as you fall back to a key level support. Let me show you that support on the total market cap right now for crypto that you do want to see held. If you was to see a roll in the markets right now, this for me would be a massive level of support for crypto. That particular neckline just there at $2.459 trillion market capitalization, you can see you're coiling up. You're caught between a rock and a hard place, essentially forming some kind of ascending triangle, coming up, break that, and you're looking at the breakout. And I think that you're looking at that quite swiftly. Obviously you're going to run into the 1272, and then obviously you're going to run into the 1414, which is technical target of cup and handle. But we're looking for this, okay, the 1618, the 4.31 trillion, which gives Bitcoin 50% market capitalization share of that, which sees your Bitcoin way over the 107k impulsive wave target that we've had since we low down in 28,800 in June 2021, I think it was. So yeah, it's on an absolute knife edge. All this journey so far has been bumpy, but this is so decisive, so decisive. Take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.